Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Simply Sync app to sync. So Simply Sync app is actually an app you can actually use to train your voice, and you use your voice use it to find your vocal range, your land every note, and adjust your voice as well. So how do you actually get this app? All you need to do is you go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Simply Sync My Simply app. So click on install, and once installed, you click on open to open up the app. So let's click on that and see how the app works. So you go through a process of trying to explain how often you sync and the rest of that, and a lot more like your age and your gender as well, and how often you sing, and your what do I call it, if you're auto or bars and the rest of that, and how you got to know about the app. That's all the first things you're going to see. So I literally skip that part, but this part is where you get to hear how it works well, and you can see how they're actually making practicals on auto bars and the rest of that. So it's going to take a while to actually skip all this part of them trying to sync. I think it's going to take a while, so we have to wait for it.